Hi, I'm Jackie Keenan. In Chicago Business Today, med-mal insurance increase. Fallout from the recent Illinois Supreme Court ruling on medical malpractice awards. A new study shows insurers in the state could see their costs jump 18%. The report by Seattle-based consulting firm Millman reveals not only higher costs are possible, but also an increase in claims. But whether doctors will be paying more for insurance remains to be seen. Texas-based Medicus Insurance moved into Illinois 4 years ago because of the tort reform. Physician liaison for the company, Dr. Richard Jorgensen, says the ruling is disappointing and it's hard to tell what changes are coming.
The claims costs are our number one cost or loss in a company, and therefore as more claims come in and we reserve the amount of money that's needed that we anticipate would either be lost in that claim, then eventually rates would have to go up.
Crain senior reporter Mike Callias has been following the story.
I think the big fear among doctors and hospitals is that it is going to lead to more lawsuits. More people are going to sue their physician or their hospital, and that's ultimately going to lead to bigger payouts and increased rates over time. On the other side of the argument is the trial lawyers and patient advocates say that there's really no tie between a cap and the severity of claims, so they say that the real reason rates might go up or down is just based on natural insurance cycles.
The 2005 law that was struck down capped jury awards for punitive damages at $500,000 for physicians and $1 million for hospitals. Since enacted, medical malpractice costs have gone down and competition from insurers has increased.
We hope that we continue with the idea of transparency. Without that, it would probably be unlikely or more difficult for a new company to come to Illinois and just set up shop without having any previous knowledge of what the state was like or what the experiences in the state were like.
The state's Department of Insurance is encouraging companies to voluntarily comply with those transparency laws until lawmakers possibly reintroduce legislation. And that's all for this edition of Chicago Business Today. For more on this story and all your breaking news, be sure to check out chicagobusiness.com and go to iTunes to find our Chicago Business Today podcast. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you here on Monday.